Hello everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of UltData. If we click on settings, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about the application of UltData and you will click. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we go to storage. In this page you will click on clear cache. Here you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.